Welcome everybody. So today I am going to explain you one Android app that can be used for simulation of different digital circuit. Name of that Android app is Smart Logic Simulator. So already in my mobile I have installed this app. So see, this is symbol of this particular app. You may be knowing that there are two types of digital circuit. First one is combinational circuit and second one is sequential circuit. So it is possible to implement both type of digital circuit to some extent by using this simulator. So today I am going to show you how we can verify truth table of basic gate by using this simulator. So let's start. So after starting app, you will get one page like this. So on the bottom you will get different option like home, pro, your circuit, tutorial. So click on your circuit. After that you will get one button labeled as create new. So click on create new button. Then click on project. After that you will get one new page which is like this. So on top side you will get different symbols. Now let us start with NOT gate. Let's try to verify truth table of NOT gate. So in order to add NOT gate to our circuit, first of all you should click on this symbol. You should click on this pencil symbol. After that on bottom side you will get plus symbol. So just click on it. Then you will get different elements that can be inserted in our digital circuit like D flip-flop, SR flip-flop. So you will require this flip-flop whenever you want to implement sequential circuit. Now here just we require NOT gate. So see here you will get option for NOT gate. So just click on NOT gate. Then click on this arrow. So see here one NOT gate has been added. So we know that on NOT gate has one input, one output. So in order to give input to the NOT gate, we will require one button. So let's try to add that button. So again you should click on this plus sign. Then see here you can see one option which is labeled as toggle button. So click on toggle button. So here you will get message toggle button is added. Then click on this arrow. So see here you will get one toggle button. So just perform drag and drop operation. Just place that toggle button at appropriate position. So we want toggle button on input side of NOT gate. Here you can see that label of this particular button is toggle button. You can change this label if you want. So in order to change label of this button, first of all you are supposed to click on this toggle button. After that you should click on this pencil icon and then you can give new label. So suppose here I want label as A and then click on save. So see label of the toggle button has been changed. Now on output side of NOT gate we will require one bulb which will indicate what is status of output of NOT gate, whether it is 1 or 0. So in order to add one light bulb, again you should click on this plus sign. Then see here you will get one option labeled as light bulb. So just click on it. So one light bulb has been added. Then click on this arrow. So see here you will get one light bulb. So again perform drag and drop operation. Just move that light bulb at appropriate position. We want light bulb on output side of NOT gate. So now I can say that all components which are required in order to perform simulation of NOT gate has been added here. Now next step is make the connection. So see, in order to make connection you should click on this particular symbol. So here at the last you can see one symbol. Okay, so click on that symbol. So after selecting that symbol, now see we want connection between output of this toggle button and input of this NOT gate. Okay, in other word we can say that we want connection between these two terminal. So first of all click on this terminal, that is output of toggle button. After that click on input terminal of NOT gate. So see one connection has been established, right? So you can see connection between these two terminal. Similarly on output side we want a connection between these two terminal. So first of all click on output terminal of NOT gate, then click on input terminal of this light bulb. So see connection has been established. Now I can say that currently this light bulb is in on condition. it is on means output of NOT gate is 1. Output of NOT gate is 1. Why? Because input to NOT gate is 0. Means state of this toggle button A is 0. Now suppose I want to change state of this toggle button A from 0 to 1. So for that we have to click on this particular toggle button. In order to click on this toggle button, what you have to do? You have to click on this first symbol. So see on top side here you can see one particular symbol. Okay, so just click on that symbol and after that click on this toggle button. See what has happened. So I have clicked on this toggle button A. So that's why state of this toggle button A has been changed from 0 to 1. See here color has been changed, right? So it indicates that state of this toggle button A has been changed from 0 to 1. So what is input to NOT gate? It is 1. So what will be the output? 0. So output is 0. So that's why this particular light bulb will be in off condition. So in this way we have verified truth table of NOT gate. Now you can save this particular project. For that you should click on this particular symbol, then click on save. Here you can give some name, suppose NOT gate, and then save it. Then click on this arrow. So see here your project which is labeled as NOT has been created. Now I want to create new project. Now let's try to perform simulation of AND gate. So click on create new, then click on project. Then I want to add new components. So in order to add component, first of all what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to click on this pencil icon, then click on plus sign. After that I want now AND gate. Yes, so see here you can see the AND gate. So just click on it. So AND gate has been added. So AND gate has two inputs. So in order to give two inputs to AND gate we will require two toggle button. So just select two toggle button, click on toggle button, one toggle button is added. Again click on toggle button, second toggle button is added. Then AND gate has one output. So on output side of AND gate we will require one light bulb in order to indicate whether output of AND gate is 0 or 1. So just click on this particular option labeled as light bulb. So one light bulb has been added. After that you should click on this arrow. So see here you can see all the components. Just perform drag and drop operation and move all these components at appropriate position. So I want light bulb on output side of AND gate. So I will move it here. After that toggle button. So move toggle button on input side. First toggle button, second toggle button. So we have placed all components at appropriate position. Then what is next step? Yes, we have to make the connection. For making connection you should click on this last symbol. So click on this symbol. After that click on the terminals where you want connection. So I want connection between output of first toggle button and input of AND gate. So just click on these two terminals. So I will click on output terminal of first toggle button and one input terminal of AND gate. So see connection is established. Then click on output terminal of second toggle button and other input terminal of AND gate. So see connection is established. Now in same way we want connection on output side. So just click on these two terminals. Okay, so connection is established. So what is status of this two toggle button, whether it is on or off? Yes, they are in off mode, right? Means both inputs to this AND gate are 0 0. So what will be the output of AND gate? Output of AND gate will be 0. Output of AND gate is 0. So that's why this particular light bulb is in off condition. Now let's try to give different input combination. So in order to give different input combination, first of all what we have to do, we have to click on this icon. Okay, so click on this icon. After that, which is first input combination that is present in truth table of AND gate? 0 0. It is already over. Second input combination is 0 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. So in order to make this toggle button 1, so I should click on this toggle button. So see I have clicked. So see here color has been changed. So this color indicate that what is state of this particular toggle button? It is 1. So what are inputs to this AND gate? 0 and 1. What is output? 0. So that's why this particular bulb is in off condition. Now third input combination is 1 0. So in order to give 1 0, okay, so click on this first toggle button. So see, now what is input to this AND gate? It is 1 0. So what will be the output? 0. So that's why again this bulb is in off condition. Now last input combination, that is 1 1. So see, here both inputs are 1 1. So that's why output of AND gate will be 1 and this particular bulb will be in on condition. So in this way we have verified truth table of AND gate. Now you can save this project. For that you are supposed to click on this particular symbol, then click on save, give some particular name to your project, suppose and click on save. So see, we have created now 2 projects. Now let's try to verify truth table of OR gate. So again click on create new, then click on project, then click on this pencil icon, then click on this plus sign. After that we want OR gate, so click on OR gate. One OR gate is added. We will require 2 toggle button, so 1 2 toggle buttons has been added. We will require 1 light bulb, so select 1 light bulb. 1 light bulb is added, then click on this arrow, okay, perform drag and drop operation. So light bulb on output side, 2 toggle button on input side. Then what is next step? We have to make the connections. So for making connection we should click on this particular symbol. Then I want connection between this terminal and one input terminal of OR gate. Then I want connection between output of this second toggle button and other input of OR gate. Now on output side we want connection between these 2 terminals. So see, all connections are established. Now what is state of this 2 toggle button? It is 0 0. So in case of OR gate output will be 0. So output is 0. So that's why this particular light bulb is in off condition. Now let's change the inputs. In order to change input combination, first of all what we have to do, we have to click on this particular symbol. Then suppose click on first toggle button, then click on first toggle button. So see, state of first toggle button has been changed from 0 to 1. So what are input to this OR gate? It is 1 0. So we know that in case of OR gate, if inputs are 1 0, output will be 1. So output is 1. So that's why this particular bulb is in on condition. Okay, now let's try for other input combination. Let's make both inputs 1 1. In case of OR gate, when both inputs are 1 1, then also output is 1. So that's why you can see that this particular bulb is in on condition. So in this way we have verified truth table of OR gate. Now you can save this particular project. Just click on this symbol, then click on save, give some name or save, and then click on this arrow. So see, here you will get 3 projects. So in this way, by using this app, we have verified truth table of basic gate.